Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Tizum ZW79 HD web camera. On the front of the package, we can see the Tizum branding and the web camera HD 720p branding as well. Here we have a likeness of the product within. At the bottom, we can see that it is compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows XP and Mac OS X as well. On the right hand side of the package, we see the model number at the bottom, the ZW79 and web camera HD 720p as well. Same on the left hand side of the packaging as well. On the bottom, we can see a few of the salient features of the camera. Let's go through them one by one. The first feature is a 5-glass lens. Next up is a built-in microphone. It has a recording resolution of 720p HD. It also features auto white balance. It can be used for video chat and conferencing. At the bottom of the package, we can see some in-depth specifications of the product. So let's go through them one by one as well. We have already seen the HD 720p video calling, and it is compatible with the latest version of Skype. It also records video at HD 720p. Next up, it has a built-in noise isolating microphone. It has automatic low light correction. It has a plug and play function and has a high-speed USB 2.0 interface. It is tripod ready with a universal clip that fits onto laptops and LCD monitors. Underneath that, we have a sticker showing off the importing and manufacturing details, and below that we can see some customer care information as well. We also have a couple of barcodes and a QR code that basically would take you to the Tizum website. Right at the bottom here, we have the social media handles of the Tizum brand. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. Now that we have everything out of the box, let's see what we get here. We get some reading material, which is basically the user manual, and this should help you get started with using the device. Next up is the product itself. We can see that it has a hinge to basically rotate and angle the camera in an appropriate and comfortable position. We can see the clip has some rubber and foam padding so that any surface that it is attached on does not get scratched up. We can see some Tizum and 720p branding right on the front. And here are the inbuilt microphones. When it comes to the interfaces, it has a USB Type-A interface and a 3.5mm audio jack as well. The cable seems to be approximately 1.5 meters long. And that's about it in terms of the product. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.